Now I am going to explain the important key points and formulae of this chapter called calendars. There is a chance to get at least one question in all competitive examinations from the chapter calendars. So let us look the key points in this chapter. The first point is odd days. Odd days in a given period are the number of days more than the complete weeks called odd days. For an ordinary year, we have 365 days. So 365 divided by 7. After doing the division, we get the remainder as 1. So in a year with 365 days, have one odd day. For a leap year, similarly, we have 366 days. So 366 divided by 7. After doing the division, we get the value of remainder as 2. So the number of odd days in a leap year is equal to 2. In 100 years, we have 76 ordinary years and 24 leap years. In 76 ordinary years, we have 1 day each, and 24 leap years we have 2 days each. That is 76 into 1 plus 24 into 2 is equal to 124 odd days. So 124 divided by 7. On solving this, we get the remainder as 5. So it implies that in 100 years we are having 5 odd days. And the number of odd days in 200 years is equal to 5 into 2, that is 10. And out of those 10 we have 3 odd days. Number of odd days in 300 years, 5 into 3, that is equal to 15 days. Again dividing by 7, we get the remainder as 1. So number of odd days in 300 years is equal to 1. Number of odd days in 400 years. Years that are divisible by 4 and not divisible by 100 are leap years. Example, 2016 is divisible by 4. It is a leap year. 2017 is not divisible by 4. So it is an ordinary year. Years that are divisible by 100 and not divisible by 400 are not leap years. Similarly, 2000 is divisible by 4, so it is a leap year. 1800 is not divisible by 4, so it is an ordinary year. Century. A block of 100 years is called a century. Thus, it has a total of 100 years. So, each one of the year 1100, 1800, 2100 is a century. The first day of a century cannot be Wednesday, Friday and Sunday. The last day of the century cannot be Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. Day of the week related to odd days. As shown in the figure, if the number of odd days is 0, it is Sunday. If the number of odd days is 1, it is Monday. For 2 odd days, it is Tuesday. For 3 odd days, it is Wednesday. For 4 odd days, it is Thursday. For 5 odd days, it is Friday. And for 6 odd days, it is Saturday. Day of the months related to odd days. Odd days are calculated by the days of month divided by 7. So January has 31 days. So we need to divide 31 with 7. So we get the remainder as 3. The number of the odd days is 3. For February, it is a leap year. There is a 0 odd day. And if it is not a leap year, then there is 1 odd day. Similarly, for March, there are 3 odd days. For April, there are 2 odd days. For May, again there are 3 odd days. For June, 2 odd days. For July, 3 odd days. For August, again 3 odd days. For September, 2 odd days. For October, there are 3 odd days. For November, 2 odd days. And for December, there are 3 odd days.
Thanks for watching this video.